The brake drums come with the hub attached with the rivets, so we have to remove them in our case.
Huh?
Now the actual seals and bearings need to be removed from that center hub for the new bearings I'm going to be installing. So that needs to be done as well.
I'll go back.
Hammer out the old bearings and seals to put in the new ones. Yeah, that's fine. See.
Entonces ahora vamos a sacar el otro bearing.
On the hub.
Me tiene sofocado.
Here's the actual hub, the inside and the outside part of the hub where the bearings are and will be removed. This bearing was removed already. We're going to remove this bearing now. Removing the other side of the bearing, I think it's the back side bearing and seal from the hub.
Viste que el golpe solo te lo bota.
Beautiful.